Okay, came up with another list of words. Some that sound even funny to my ear. So, there we go. Alright. Worcester, Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Woonsocket, Coventry, Cumberland, Johnston, Newport, Bristol. Those are cities in Rhode Island, apparently. Got dad, ma'am, salt, pepper, thirsty, sauce, camera, mail, bail, chair, beard, wash, idea, shoe, friend, yarn. Okay, just thought I'd do another one.